This video will recap bonding. Bonding is the sharing of two electrons that hold atoms together. There are two extremes to this bonding: ionic bonding and covalent bonding. Ionic bonding is when both electrons are on one of the two atoms. This results in atoms with charges, as electrons are negatively charged, and therefore the atom that has those electrons becomes negative, or an anion, and the atom that lacks those electrons becomes positive and is a cation. Rule of thumb: if there is a metal involved, it is ionic bonding. Covalent bonding is when both electrons are somewhat equally in between the two atoms. This results in no charge on atoms, as both of them have the same number of electrons available.